Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I was inspired by a coffee cup that I saw at our local coffee shop. I'm going to do some wall decor using wire. What you're going to need is a frame with just a white background. I have my tools. You'll need a round form, and I'm using thicker wire. You can use between like a 16 and 14 gauge wire. So I'm not sure how much wire I'll need, so I'm just going to use it directly off the roll. So I'll start by doing the heartbeat. So I'm going to go up, give it a good little push, hold this one, and push it down. Give it a good little push. And then here, about a ½ inch below, we'll push it up again. And then we want it higher here, so we're going to take this here and push it down. Straighten it out as you go. Down here, push it up. Down again. Up. I'll pull that one out a little bit. So I'm going to get a round form and just bring it around to form the C. Take the flat pliers and bend it back, squish it, flip this around, and then we're going to hold this and bring this one around to form the C. So at this point you can have a look, you can adjust this how you want, curve it out a little more, and I'm just going to bend this one down. So I'm just going to put the round form in here again and bring this one around, bring it to the front or the back, bring it right around, and then you can just check how it looks. If you want to make it a bit bigger, just go beyond there and then push it back a bit to make it bigger. Pull out more wire. And I'm going to curve this one around here, and we're going to form the top of the F. So put your pliers in there, bring it around, push it up higher if you want. This wire is very soft. This should go straight down. We're going to bend this around. If it's easier without your pliers, just do it by hand. For little bends, you can get your pliers back and then bring this one around up again. Pull out more wire, bend it at the same spot. If you have a kink, just push it out a little bit. See if they're about the same height. These lines will be parallel. Pull out more wire and bring this one around. You can measure to see if they're the same height, and then we'll get the pliers again. Bring that around here. So now we need the E. We're going to bring this one up, push that one out, and then bring this one around to form the E. I'm going to pull out more wire, bring this one around with the ring mandrel. You can use a marker too, and bring that one over here. Then we're going to bring this one over here and curve this around. And we'll curve this around. You can use the mandrel again, pull out more wire, and from there you can continue with the heartbeats. Bring that one down, bend it again up. You could always measure this if you want it about the same. Bring that one down, pull out more wire, hold it here, bend it up, down, up, and across. Go back and make another one here if you want. And then we can bring the frame to see if it's going to fit in there. So that's going to be good. And we could cut off some extra here. And then we'll open the frame. I have this acid-free tape from the art store, so I'm going to cut some of that. I cut the ends flush to the length of the paper. I'm going to measure the height that I want it. My frame's not very wide, so I'm going to do it super close to the end. If you have a wider frame, you could do a wider band of tape. Same thing here. Measure it, position it, and just do like a really thin band of tape to hold it in place. Then you could flip it, bring the tape around the back, clean the glass, and then we're going to take this and put it straight down on the glass, put the back on, attach the back of the frame, put those all in place, and there you have your very funky coffee wire wall art. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.